Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the easiest ways to take a screenshot of your Google Drive in 2025. Whether you're on a computer or a phone, I'll show you exactly what to hit. So let's get into it. All right, first thing, go ahead and open Google Drive in your browser and sign in if you're not already. Next, head to the exact file, folder, or view you want to capture. Just take a second to arrange things the way you want them to appear in the screenshot. If you're on Windows, the easiest method is tapping the print screen key. It's usually at the top of your keyboard. Or, if you want more control, hit Windows, Shift, and S together to open Snip and Sketch. On a Mac, just press Command, Shift, and 3 to grab the whole screen. If you only want part of the page, press Command, Shift, and 4. That one gives you the little crosshair selector. And if you're on your phone, it's super quick. On an iPhone, press the side button and the volume up button at the same time. On most Android phones, press power and volume down together. You'll see the little preview pop up at the bottom. From here, you can save it, crop it, or mark it up however you like. On both computer and mobile, you'll usually get built-in editing tools right away, and that's pretty much it. Super simple, but really handy if you need to share what your drive looks like or save something for later. Thanks for watching, and yeah, hope this helped. Hope.